guys, this is Michael Duda, your favorite part-time real estate agent out of Dundee, Michigan. Today I'm going to be talking about the 5 pros and the 5 cons of being a real estate agent. Because I believe in full transparency, I am going to start with the 5 cons first. If you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button to join my community. The main goal of my channel is to grow a community of inspired individuals so we can all motivate each other and push through that initial rough patch. So let's get into the video. First and foremost, con number 1. You are going to face a ton of competition within the real estate industry. The main reason for this is because honestly, there's a really low bar to becoming a real estate agent. So the question becomes not how do I become a real estate agent, it's how do I stand out from the crowd? This actually leads me perfectly into con number 2. It's incredibly difficult to stand out from the crowd. So a lot of people within the real estate industry view this as kind of a part-time gig or a hobby. However, we're not going to do that. We're going to view this as a business. So the number 1 way you can stand out is by providing optimal customer service and value to the client. Now for con number 3, probably my least favorite aspect about being a real estate agent. You are going to face a ton of rejection. However, you can view this as a positive and view it in a way where you see it as making you a stronger person and a stronger business owner. Also, just look at it from the other person's perspective. How would you feel if you were approached by a salesperson? Now for con number 4, there are a ton of startup expenses with regards to being a real estate agent. So this will largely depend on what you want to spend your money on, what broker you choose, and what state you're in. So definitely do your research into figuring out which broker you want to go with. Some brokers will charge more out of your commission. Some will require a larger startup expense. Also, you need to really think about what you want to spend your money on in terms of running your business better and more efficiently. So actually, I go into 5 expenses into what I've personally incurred and expenses that I will incur in a video. I will actually link it below in the description so you guys can check it out so you can get more detail and a better idea of some of the expenses that you will be incurring as a real estate agent. Now for con number 5. This is probably one of the most difficult things to do, and that is compartmentalize your day. Now it's going to be tougher for the part-time agents because you have to take into consideration your full-time job. Trust me, I know myself, and I'm working vehemently to quit that 9-to-5 job by building my business. But yeah, you are going to have to compartmentalize your day. If you're a part-time agent, set aside 8 hours for work, and then you have to set aside time for sleep. You need to set aside time for your family, other activities, and then finally the remainder you have to put towards your business if you want to eventually quit that 9-to-5 job if you are a part-time agent. All right, now finally for the pros, my favorite part of the video. For pro number 1, you get to be your own boss. You don't have anybody nagging you to get things done. You are the sole reason for the success or failure of your business. This actually leads perfectly in the pro number 2. You get to set your own schedule. Now, this largely has to do with how you compartmentalize your day, like I spoke about before, but just the fact that you get to set your own schedule is a huge pro. You don't have to start at a specific time or end at a specific time. You put in whatever you want to put in. Now for pro number 3. This is probably one of the main reasons why I became a real estate agent. You get to network and see new faces all the time. Now for many of you who have a full-time job, such as myself, I know what it's like to sit behind a desk. If you have a desk job, it's incredibly boring, and the main reason why I wanted to become a real estate agent. Now for pro number 4. You are not capped at a salary. Like I said before, whatever you put in is what you get out and how much money you'll make. Now this is way different than a typical job where you're at a fixed rate of pay or a fixed salary. And in that situation, no matter what you put in, you'll never get more money unless you get a raise or a bonus or promotion or something. But in the real estate game, it's a direct 1-to-1. Whatever you put in, you'll get out. And the more you put in, the more money you make. It's that simple. Finally, for pro number 5, it's an opportunity of a lifetime to quit your 9-to-5 job. This is my main goal, and I know for many of you part-time agents who watch my videos, a lot of you guys want to quit your 9-to-5 jobs too. This is the perfect opportunity because you're not capped at a salary and you can finally provide the lifestyle to your family and to yourself that your family and yourself so rightfully deserves. If you guys got value out of this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. My main goal is to grow a community of inspired individuals so we can all push through that initial rough patch together. Also, I have a Discord because I wanted to provide a more personalized experience for my audience members and a space where you guys can network and inspire each other to either grow your businesses or inspire each other to push through that initial rough patch if you are a new agent. So I think that's a huge value add to you guys. Also, I post every other Saturday at 12 p.m. because I'm still figuring out an optimal schedule to post for you guys. Also, please, please, please give me feedback in the comments below. I absolutely love your guys' feedback and need it in order to provide higher quality videos for you guys. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, join my Discord, give me feedback. Let's go out and get it and strive to quit those 9-to-5s.